So, unfortunately guys, the services na gagawin ko, which is underarm tsaka yung haircut, is wala yung gagawa nun. Wala yung hairstylist nila, hairstylist? Ano ba? Hair cutter.
So, we are now heading to Children's Park. Gawin yung mga one time. Still walking.
Saan yung table na mayroong empty para doon yung upuan natin? Ako nga rin.
Our Baguio's nature walk for today here at Children's Park, but not for children's only. I know. So let's just take some walk. So the Children's Park closes at 6 p.m. Kaya pinapalayas na kami. Pinapaalis. Today is a Friday, so sobrang dami ng tao ngayon. Madaming mga kids. Elephant. Nung bata ko may picture ako dyan. Baguio has beautiful trees. Akarir again. Yung binili ko kahapon na sandals, okay naman siya, trinay ko siya and everything. Pero pag uwi ko, hindi pala siya bagay sa mga outfits ko. Tapos maliit pala yung size sa akin. Usually size 8 naman talaga ako, pero ewan ko ba kung bakit size 7 yung pinuha ko. So I'm having it for exchange today. Kaya hunting ulit tayo ng mga black sandals and shoes or whatever. I still got this. Ito na naman talaga yung shoe. Show naman ako. Ito size 7 talaga ako dito. Tama na ba siya? Ayun na yun. So we got the goods. That's it for the video. Thank you for guys seeing. Guys.
Ano?
Thank you for guys. That's it for our nature walk today at Children's Park and re-shopping dito sa SM Baguio kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung binili ko kahapon kaya napagastos tayo ulit ng mas malaki. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye!